Yo! Got a 2001 F150. This guy wants some rear shocks. They're a little rusty, so he thinks it's time to replace them. They're probably original. I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy. First thing you want to do is support the axle with something. I got a screw jack on here. You want to lift it up just a little bit to unload the shocks a little. Make it a little easier. This bolt and nut is an 18 millimeter. You want to get that off. And the top of these shocks, they're pretty hard to get at, and they're always really rusted out. So if you think you're going to be unbolting this old rusty stuff, you're smoking crack, because they'll probably end up breaking anyways. I don't even bother unbolting them. I just grab the thing and bend the top. Oh yeah, this shock's no good. That's good, because I can bend it even more. This is junk. Just wiggling it back and forth. Snap the top right off. That's how you get these out. Otherwise you'll be screwing around for God knows how long. Easy peasy. Yeah, I bent the washer. But yeah, it snapped real easy. You could be up there for God knows how long racking your knuckles because they put this in a really bad spot. Try to give you a better view here. Got to cut this thing off. Just to one side. Then you got a bag of bushings and washers. Put a washer like this so it's tapered up. And then the bushing, you want the big hole facing up and the big hole facing down when you put it in. So it's like this. You can see that. Stick this up in this hole here where it belongs. Not liking me at all. Let's put it in from the top. It don't like me. There it goes. Rusty old bugger. Come on. What's your deal? On the top, bushing, washer tapers down, and the nut. This is probably a 9/16, but I'm going to use a 14 millimeter swivel ratchet. It's the best view I can give anybody because it's in a really bad spot. Actually, I'm going to get this camera out of the way. I'm going to tighten this stupid nut down, and you only need to hold on to the shock body down here to keep it from spinning when you tighten this nut up, and call it a fix. So yeah, don't try to unbolt these. That's the neat trick with these shocks. You always want to bust the tops off. I do it all the time any way I can. Okay, bye.